Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to split text using Zapier Formatter. This is incredibly useful when you're dealing with form responses or any data that comes in as combined text, and you need to separate it into individual pieces for further processing or organization. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all your automation magic happens. Now click on the Zap button to start creating a new automation. This is where we'll set up the workflow that will handle your text splitting. First, we need to establish what will trigger this automation. So click on the trigger button in the search bar that appears, type in and select Google Form. This will be the source of the data we're going to work with. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event for this tutorial. Select New or Updated Form Response. This means whenever someone submits or updates a form response, your Zap will activate. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your Google Forms account if you haven't already, or simply sign in to authorize the connection. This step is essential as it allows Zapier to access your form data. Now that your trigger is set up, it's time to add the action that will split your text. Click the Action button and search for Formatter by Zapier, then select it. The Formatter tool is incredibly powerful for manipulating and transforming data in various ways, and text splitting is one of its most useful features. Click on the Event drop-down menu and select Text, then click Continue. This tells Zapier that you want to perform text-based operations. In the next screen, click the Transform drop-down and select Split Text. This is the core function that will break your combined text into separate segments. In the Input field, you'll need to map or type the text field from your Google form that you want to split. This could be something like a full name, an address, or any combined data that needs separation. Next, move to the Separator field and type in the delimiter that separates your text pieces. For example, if your data is separated by commas, type a comma. If it's separated by spaces, type open bracket colon space colon close bracket. Now click on the Segment Index dropdown. This is where you decide what output you want. You can choose First to get only the first segment, All is line items to get every piece separately, or Last to grab just the final segment. Click Continue, then hit Test Action to verify that your text is splitting correctly. Zapier will show you the results so you can confirm everything looks right before going live. Finally, once you're satisfied with the test results, click Publish to turn on your Zap and start automating your text splitting process. And there you have it, you've successfully set up text splitting in Zapier Formatter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.